Hello, agus fáilte. In this episode of Now You're Talking, we'll see people asking for and giving directions. We'll also learn how to name the various rooms in the house and some of their contents. In earlier programmes, we learned how to ask Cóil tú gol, where are you going? And Cóil tú gobar, where are you working? We'll start off today by asking where things and places are. The question is Cóil, followed by the object or the place.
Kom maar, Lischka. Kool af ik first.
Go my Lischka. Cola chasha.
Cóil Chahimer.
Cool the car.
Cawel. Where is? Cawel.
To reply to this question, you need to know how to give directions. Our hlé is on the left, our yesh on the right. Other important words are anseo, here, and anshin, there. Listen carefully.
Kom maar, Lischka. Kool af ik first.
Tá an sin hlé?
Gramwaigad.
Go my Lischka. Cola chasha.
Oh, tá an sin yes.
Go my good.
Cóil Chahimer.
Chamorshner, yes.
Cool the car.
En sin traston shoppa.
Trasna on shoppa. Across from the shop. Trasna on shoppa. Yesh. On the right. Yesh. Chlé. On the left. Chlé.
We'll have a look at some more examples of directions later on, but first let's turn our attention to the house. In the following scenes you'll hear the question Kaved Shamra, how many rooms? Notice that the singular version Shamra is used after Kaved.
Kaved shamra dan?
Tree hamra.
Kvid shamra sa chashin.
Tá shamor, tá art shamran.
Did you notice that it was Trí Hamra but Ocht Shamra? The workbook explains why. We'll have a look now at some of the different rooms in the house. The sitting room is called a Shumarsi.
Call a telefish. It's a Shamrasee.
Gotcha.
A Shumarsi, the sitting room. Other rooms that you'll see now are a Shumar Falka, the bathroom, a Léris, the toilet, a Christian, the kitchen, and a Shumar Colata, the bedroom.
Agus seo shamra falca.
Go my Lischka. Cola Léris.
Tá sin sinnar chlé.
Tá Christian Bramore.
Tá cinnte. Fiona, go dé mutete, go mai gur un mai is lí.
Hey, does she the Shamra call it? Where you?
Another way of saying a Shumra Colata, the bedroom, is a Shumra Llapa, Llaba being the Irish for bed. We'll watch those again.
Agus seo shamra falca.
Go my Lischka. Cola Léris.
Tá sin sinnar chlé.
Tá Christian Bramore.
Tá cinnte. Fiona, go dé mutete, go mai gur un mai is lí.
Hey, does she the Shamra call it? Where you? Fiona Shaw.
Cawula shamra yappa.
Tá sin chahar yes.
Shamra Colata. Bedroom. Shamra Colata. Or Shamra Llapa. Léris. Toilet. Yehris. Shamra Falka. Bathroom. Shamra Falka. Kishtin. Kitchen. Kishtin. Shamra C. Sitting room. Shamra C.
Fanula thinks that Shan lives too far from his work, tá tú the honi rá adar Huel, and offers to rent him a room in her house. Louise's family, meanwhile, are not too impressed with her new lifestyle, especially her cooking, cockeracht. Connor would prefer meat and potatoes, fiol agus preti.
Tá tá máil caiimi sé imimecht.
Tá brún an.
Tá tá do choní rá ada ar hiúil. Orcar seo.
Gdí tan?
Fógra a chuirmi sa fápéir. Tá mé cuata duine le bog was tealam.
Cyfed dyna tan sa chaliad?
Tá mé mar choní lam héin.
Agus cyfed siomra tan?
Sé homra ar fad. Trí homra leapa. Siomra sí, siomra falca agus kistin.
Agus cyfed y ter?
Cuig fantas fihe sa teachtan.
Cwig fantas fia? O ta sy'n anwai.
Bhile é eáil.
O boi cinse. Cyhyr?
A nocht ag an níochlog?
Mae gylior. Chief Matthew.
Sam.
O fan bomad se? Cawal se?
Sráid Wellington, iwr an naí.
Ai, mae sio ein sy'n Gaeilge.
Hello. Hello again. Tá brona, níl dúirt an seanis. Mas gartar as sé bhil. Bé sin seaga siirlog. Cos gartan sin. Sláin.
Tishan.
Sin do dhéine?
Mae yinar. Has fuan am lentily. Ni him yad.
Henni leat go burger bites mar sin.
Tog boka.
Tá sé lenne chuig. Caiim me sé mat.
Go to gal.
Tá rang meditation agam. Can you súlar a dhéine?
Baron piece of fiola is pretty.
Tá sé séchlog an is? O, cáil si.
Go dé seo?
Cockeracht the waher. Junior blaster.
Cágur bhámaí? Cáhfuil si?
Does she rang meditation?
Mámaí ag rang meditation. Tá se go le maithar fáid támain.
Hedge.
Go dtín cafe le mé dhéine eil.
Tug o bugge, fan bomad se?
Jan Jeffrey, ty mae gorau cryniw ys yma mal.
Tama chacht.
Other directions you might give are che susa staida, go up the stairs, or che shisa staida, go down the stairs. Chunty is the Irish for turn, so it's chunty or chlé for turn left, and chunty or yish for turn right. Look out for them in the following scenes, and also for ishomrabia, the dining room.
Cóla sem mar fáilcha,
Tí sus an stéire, teanta ar chlés tan sem fácan sin.
gur an maigad.
Oh, beim breakfast on the Glenny Heart.
Cólann seamra bia.
Tí síos an stéire, teantaí ar dheis agus tá sin sin trasna an hiistin.
Gur am aigad.
Go tíam head.
Go maiid gur maigad cabhfuil áfa líam bhíh fáiding.
Té Swiss téire ag san chead dáras ar chlé.
Sus a stéire cheadaras ar chlé.
sé.
Gur maigad. Gá leisce, cabhfuil an cafe.
A cafe? Chléin sin agus sin chead dáras ar dheise.
Gur maigad.
Sin chead doras ar dheise. It's the first door on the right. A chead doras ar chlé, the first door on the left. Watch them again.
Cóla sem mar fáilcha,
Tí sus an stéire, teanta ar chlés tan sem fácan sin.
gur an maigad.
Oh, beim breakfast on the Glenny Heart.
Cólann seamra bia.
Tí síos an stéire, teantaí ar dheis agus tá sin sin trasna an hiistin.
Gur am aigad.
Go tíam head.
Go maiid gur maigad cabhfuil áfa líam bhíh fáiding.
Té Swiss téire ag san chead dáras ar chlé.
Sus a stéire cheadaras ar chlé.
sé.
Gur maigad.
Báilteró.
Gá leisce, cabhfuil an cafe.
A cafe? Chléin sin agus sin chead dáras ar dheise.
A chead daras ar yesh. The first door on the right. A chead daras ar yesh. A chead daras ar chlé. The first door on the left. A chead daras ar chlé. Té síos a stéire. Go down the stairs. Té síos a stéire. Chuntaí ar yesh. Turn right. Chuntaí ar yesh. Seamra bia. Dining room. Seamra bia. Té Swiss a stéire. Go up the stairs. Té Swiss a stéire. Chuntaí ar chlé. Turn left. Chuntaí ar chlé.
Let's have a listen now to the Connacht and Munster versions of Chunty.
Cas ar dheis.
A hira? Baker seo. Cos timple. Yes.
Gleancholam Killie. Folklore tells us that when St. Patrick visited this glen, he met with a horde of demons. He shied away from tackling the demons, but he prophesied that a younger man would come in his place and banish them forever. Columcille was this man, and when he arrived, he banished the demons into the sea. He then took up residence himself, and after that, the glen became Glan Columcille, Columcille's Glen. Archaeological studies of the many cairns, dolmens and ancient graves in the area tell us that construction workers were busy at work here as far back as 4,000 years ago, and possibly even earlier, which would suggest that the population was made up of more than demons before the arrival of Columcille. kinds of houses and implements that people had influenced some of the place names around them. And even though houses have changed dramatically, especially in the last 100 years, the basic implements and furniture and necessities of a house remain the same. Skin, a knife. Corra, a large pot or cauldron. Urler, floor. And thorn, a furnace, or nowadays a cooker. See if you can spot them all in the following place names. Drumskinne, ridge of the knife. Tobarachara, well of the cauldron. Gleanachara, glen of the cauldron. Strahanurler, river valley of the level ground or floor. Drimsorn, the ridge of the furnaces. Now that you can make your way around the house, let's look at some words for furniture. In the following scenes, look out for these words: table, table, caithfear, chair, and cuishnor, fridge.
An mile at the Houston.
Is my, and you mile of a table show.
Oh, I like cup of tea.
Boy, ach, come ma hier.
Tá de chéir sa seamra sí, an eiclis a table.
Jimmer Tattoo, Sally.
Go mai, a cuisnar a ríis.
A ríis?
Table, table, caithfear, chair, and cuishnor, fridge.
An mile at the Houston.
Is my, and you mile of a table show.
Oh, I like cup of tea.
Boy, ach, come ma hier.
Tá de chéir sa seamra sí, an eiclis a table.
Jimmer Tattoo, Sally.
Go mai, a cuisnar a ríis.
A ríis?
Cuishnor, fridge. Cuishnor. Caithfear, chair. Caithfear. Table, table. Table.
If you want to ask where to put something, you say, Cagarama shaw. Where will I put this? Cagarama shaw. Listen to these examples.
Cagarama shaw.
Cagarma.
Cagurama.
Cagurama. Where will I put this? Cagurama.
Cagarama shaw. To answer, you say cur plus the place. Cur sa hishtana, put it in the kitchen. Cur hallan shina, put it over there. We'll watch those scenes again, but this time with the answers included.
Cagarama shaw.
Carhalin shinna.
Cagarma.
Cos a seamra fáilce?
Cagurama.
Cos a seamra sí ala dal.
My good lord.
Cursa shamra sia. Put it in the sitting room. Cursa shamra sia. Cursa shamra falca. Put it in the bathroom. Cursa shamra falca. Curhallan shina. Put it over there. Curhallan shina.
Deirdre thinks it's time to move out of home. Her parents agreed to let her try it for a few months. Heg dat tríle wanjas ar for a couple of me.
Cód the gully, Deirdre. Bís the wall like a heen jag. Cation or a phone, Deirdre. Kai me emma the chashin. Agus me chainel.
Ah, take him. Or why not could you?
But why? Kai me Jeff me tug in the water.
Ag ní mar mar sin. Tú míad an ollscoil. Slán.
S-I for the L, E-A for the I-L, Shin and Sheila. C-U-I-S-N-E-O-I or Shin Krishnor.
Má hi bóchail na siapar da bhá míad.
Colshi.
Sa siamra leapa. Hey! Cafed do hwn yr ystera.
Awami! Sha, tar ysdau Connor.
Hi, Awami. Eish lo, sho.
Michael Yaw.
O, tu car galore, Awami.
Mae go bre. A ta marwyd bag tyrsa. Ie mae gan ysgael y mere.
Nach mai ditch.
A chiain. Tar ysdach.
Gwrmaigad.
Michael Lori Yerdra, higlat eris an elm smailat.
Be chwaith rod sa wala goni.
Higlat triala wunches fei couple me. Gavekimaj.
Gur maithigh. Call a paper, an advertiser, which is the histing.
Tá sé go jazz. Bhfuilin bagúis te.
Well, it's my shin.
Well, that's the end of our programme. Next time we'll look at how to ask what various items cost and the vocabulary you need to go shopping. Gajishan, slán go fáil.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Cawal,
Trasna ón siopa,
Yesh,
chlé,
Shamra Colata,
siomra sí,
Shamra Bia,
léiris,
Kishton,
siomra fálca,
Chiswissa Stere,
ché sísa staide,
Chunti Chlé,
chontaí dheis,
a Ched Daras Chlé,
a chead doras dheis,
Tabla,
cusnor,
Kahir,
sarn,
Kagothamasho,
carhallan sinna,
Cursa Shamra Falca,
cursa siomra sia,